Let us learn to write letters.
Slanting line, slanting line, slipping line, A. Standing line, curve, curve, B. Curve, C. Standing line, curve, D. Standing line, slipping line, slipping line, slipping line, E. Standing line, slipping line, slipping line, F. Curve, slipping line, G. Standing line, slipping line, H. Standing line, I. Standing line, curve, J. Standing line, slanting line, K. Standing line, slipping line, L. Standing line, slanting line, standing line, M. Standing line, slanting line, N. Curve, O. Standing line, curve, P. Curve, slanting line, Q. Standing line, curve, slanting line, R. Curve, S. Standing line, slipping line, T. Curve, U. Slanting line, V. Slanting line, W. Slanting line, X. Slanting line, straight line, Y. Slipping line, slipping line, Z. Thanks for watching.